Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to set screen timeout on the following device. So first of all we have to open the settings, then let's scroll and find display and brightness, and here we've got auto screen off, so let's click on this, and as you can see now we've got 2 minutes applied, but you can choose either from 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 and 30 minutes. So let me pick for example 15 seconds. And as you can see, after 15 seconds of inactivity, this device will black down and will be inactive. So that's all. This is how you set timeout on your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.